took only one trade today. It's only 12:15 right now, and I'm already done. So obviously it was a good trade. Right after the news, 9 o'clock, the consumer confidence news, we had an oversold, which I took out of 5. And some news I trade and some I avoid. Something like unemployment or a Fed meeting, even though the Fed meeting lately is actually tradable, but some news I stay away from, but this one is definitely doable. And the trade was out at the beginning of the video, and since this was an oversold, it was 2 contracts, all in, all out, no scale in, no scale out. Trade was, should be any second now. News has already been released, so it was a reaction of the news, and I am long 2 contracts. Trade didn't hardly take any heat at all, if any. I'm not sure. I don't think it took much heat. Started going my way and continued moving. At this stage, only concerned with the overbought being at the 5 level, which will force me to exit no matter what the target is or what the profit is or loss. But in this case, we didn't see any of that. And I'm just going to keep moving forward. I start going my way right over here. +5, +6. All the way to +6, then it starts to come back again, slightly. +7, you see as high as +7, but didn't quite get to the +8. I'm looking for resistance over here, but didn't quite get it. So I saw it coming down and coming up, and just thinking, okay, this is, I'm almost there. Should I take the profit? So I decided here somewhere that to actually go ahead and leave the computer altogether, because the target is there, the stop is in place in case it comes back, and it looks like it's going to do well. So right over here, that's at this stage I had left the computer altogether and walked around the house, did some other stuff, and left it alone, which I'm glad I did, because somewhere in here price came back and most of this profit has were gone, disappeared. And if I was watching the price at this stage, I would have taken maybe this 2-3 points, thinking, okay, let me keep some profit, or taken 1 contract off. It's down all the way to +2 at this stage. I would have bailed out of this trade. And I'm glad I left, because I didn't come back until all the way here. Let's see, when did I come back? Now it's time to move up. I believe somewhere in here I am back on the screen, and again I would have not lasted this chop over here, or I would have definitely bailed here. We're +7, and I'm back right here. Then at, I think it's 7.5, I take my profit. I'm up 7.5, and I was plus $300. Minus commission 291. MAE is only -1. That's all the heat this trade took, and I'm done. And I didn't take any more trades. The rest of the day, as we speak now, is just chopping, and there's the Jackson Hole, so I didn't want anybody to say something in the news and end up making some bad trades. So I'm happy with 300 on 12 o'clock. I'm shutting down and spend time with the kids.